Hornady Rapid Safe Night Guard. Thank you. The perfect bedside companion that keeps your handgun as close as your nightstand is basically the concept behind this safe. It's disguised as an electronic clock and uses RFID technology for access, just like bank cards. The designers believe that it's much faster than using a code or fingerprint, and up to 5 different tags can be set. The overall dimensions are the safe for 12 by 10.5 inches, while the interior measures 9.2 by 6.9 inches. The locking trunk rifle cabinet. This trunk upgrade is only available to law enforcement and security personnel. This is a compact gun cabinet for weapon and ammunition transportation. It's easy to install and fits in a wide range of vehicles. The basic version costs about $1,900 and offers a 3.4 by 1.6 foot section. The gun locker is made of steel and comes with a padded timber vault's occasional table. Responsible gun ownership means storing guns in a safe and secure manner. Gun safe solves this problem, but they're not easy to install in an apartment, let alone open quickly. Having come to these conclusions, the workers of an American company have invented some stylish furniture which will allow you to quickly arm yourself, like in the movie Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The company's motto is, "In a time of need, be prepared." You'll find tables, shelves, mirrors, and more. The furniture unlocks in seconds thanks to RFID technology installation. Simple. For example, the shelf is simply mounted on a bracket and ready to use. The price depends on the size. For example, a shelf for a shotgun, 2 pistols, and their magazines costs $370. For an guitar rifle case in the movies, a guitar case for storing weapons. You can see something similar in the movie Desperado, and now it's available to anyone with $170 to spare. According to the seller, these cases are made in the same factories as regular cases, thus they not only look attractive but also help to tow would-be thieves. The interior is 42 inches long up to 17 inches wide, and it comes with 3 soft foam inserts, each 1 inch thick. The case is impact, water, and dust resistant, and is also easy to clean. For an small hidden gun storage bookcase, once calculate how many weapons the U.S. civilian population has on hand. The result was about 393 million units. If Americans donated their guns to Ghana, every Ghanaian would have at least 10 guns, so the popularity of these cabinets in the United States is understandable. This one is a wooden construction, handmade with a classic design, and of course it accommodates a whole armory inside. The cabinet holds rifles, shotguns, pistols, and other weapons, as well as supplies. And under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet. Storing guns in vehicles is oftentimes frowned upon, mainly because the car or pickup truck is not equipped with the space for storing weapons properly. The design is right. The solution to that problem is to modify the seats for gun. DIY door frame hidden compartment. This handyman was building a house and decided to create his own safe. To do so, he modified a door frame, and passable wall is made of plasterboard, so the job didn't take him long. The result is a frame that can be lifted up thanks to a hinge, giving access to a space to store anything from a spare set of car keys to a gun. The author plans to improve the design in the future. The idea is to add magnetic latches, but it was a good idea to demonstrate all of this on video and thus reveal the secret. ARMA 15 AR-15. The AR-15 rifle was first manufactured more than 50 years ago, but it remains popular in the United States as a hunting and self-defense weapon. In 2016, there were about 10 million rifles owned by residents of that country, so manufacturers of various storage systems are trying to turn this fact into money. The result is very interesting solutions, such as this storage and transportation system. The key feature is that it was made from scratch instead of manufacturing yet another safe. The engineers came up with a compact locking device, 4 seconds, and the gun is ready to fire. But if someone tries to pull a rifle off the wall, it will take a lot of effort, about 3,500 pounds of force. The special lock can be easily opened even with one hand in the dark, and the device can be camouflaged with a non-small jacket. The price is $110. Hidden gun storage bed. An unexpected question: how much can a bed cost? The Swedes once presented an option for $390,000, but here's a model that exceeds it. In at least one respect, it's equipped with hiding places for weapons. On your screen you can see a handmade bed which the author not only assembled but also designed himself. It's made of solid cedar, which means that it's extremely durable, and inside the sections you can put a whole arsenal. People in the comments are delighted and ask for instructions on how to make their own version. However, the author didn't answer whether his wife liked the bed. Tactical Walls Top Locking Concealment Shelf. This option on the other hand is less expensive, starting at $540, and anyone can buy it. This concealment shelf is perfect for storing rifles up to 42 inches in length, and it's just as easy to install as a conventional shelf. It operates with pneumatic release, includes 2 magnetic keys, and is made of real wood. 9 color schemes make it easy to fit into any interior, and of course the shelf is perfect for placing various souvenirs and trinkets, if only because the total load capacity is 40 pounds, 20 in the interior section and 20 on the shelf. Stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret. Thank you.